Hello everyone, welcome back to the Aviation and IATA tutorial. My name is Anita and today we'll continue with the further airline terms. So in my last video I had spoken about conditions, and in today's video I'll speak about configuration, confirm reservation, connecting flight, customs, destination and direct flight. So what do we understand by configuration? It refers to the arrangement of seats on an airline or an aircraft. So configuration nothing but the seating arrangement that is there inside the aircraft. That seating arrangement is known as configuration. Okay, so the seats are already fixed in the aircraft, they are not movable, but the seating arrangement, as we can say, if it's a business, it has a business class, then there will be two or three some separate rows exclusively for the business class, and the seats will be one behind another. It will not be very nearby to each other. There will be a lot of space, leg space as well as aisle space between the seats. That is for the business class. And if it's an economy class, the seats will be three on each side. Okay, so it will be next to each other. There will be no space much, and the leg space will be limited. So all these seating arrangements that is there inside the aircraft for that particular flight, that seating arrangement is known as configuration. Okay, so when we learn more about aircraft seating, business class and the aircraft configuration, we will learn in detail what type of aircrafts have what type of seats. Okay, always remember each aircraft, okay, type, like example Airbus. In Airbus also there are many types of Airbus, so each type has one particular concept of configuration. It is different from another type of aircraft. Okay, so Boeing aircraft, charter flights or the smaller airplanes, all these have different seat configurations. Okay, so the next is confirmed reservation, the next term. It means a definite booking where seats are available and a reservation has been created under a passenger's name. So confirmed reservation means what? Which is, you don't get to see that in today's time, but in earlier time when there were paper tickets, okay, like a coupon ticket, during that time this concept was there. So what does this mean is, it's a definite booking. Confirmed means definite. Okay, it means guaranteed 100%, there is no doubt in that. It's a confirmed fixed booking. Okay, definite booking where seats are available, so that booking will have a seat reservation. Okay, means if I am doing that booking, a flight booking, I am 100% sure I will get a seat, and a reservation has been created under a passenger's name. So the booking has been done in a passenger's name. Means if I am if I am the passenger and I am traveling to a particular place, so in my name that booking will be done, and that booking has a seat for me. A seat will be assigned for me. It will be seen on my ticket also, and that booking is known as a confirmed reservation or confirmed definite booking. Okay, but always remember this concept was in earlier times. Today each and every booking is a confirmed reservation. Okay, because the tickets are all e-tickets, electronic tickets. It is generated by the computer. Okay, only a printout you get and a soft copy too. So each and every ticket is a confirmed reservation. Okay, reservation nothing but booking. So each and every booking is confirmed, that is guaranteed that this particular passenger, this booking is guaranteed, he will get a seat when he will be traveling. The next term is connecting flight. Okay, what do we mean by connecting flight? Connecting means joining. Okay, if you are going from one journey and from there you have another flight, so that another flight is called as connecting flight. Okay, a flight which delivers a passenger to another aircraft in another city. As I just said, if I'm traveling, I'll give you a journey now. Okay, from Mumbai, we are going to Dubai. Okay, and from Dubai, I'm going to London. Now, my airline, okay, like I'm going in SpiceJet. So, my SpiceJet airline is having the flight Mumbai to Dubai. So, SpiceJet travels till Dubai. So SpiceJet is doing what? It is taking me from Mumbai and it is making me reach at Dubai. But doesn't have SpiceJet doesn't have flights beyond Dubai. Okay, from Dubai they are not traveling to London or any other major cities. Okay, so what happens is, in such a scenario, we'll see the second point, a flight that requires the passenger to change aircraft as part of the itinerary. In this case means, if that flight, now the flight which I traveled, that is SpiceJet, okay, I traveled Mumbai Dubai, I have reached Dubai. Now that flight requires the passenger to change the aircraft, means I have to get down from the flight, I have to take another flight, okay, another plane, another aircraft, another flight, so that I go from Dubai to London. So it happens inside the airport only. I just have to get down from my plane, I have to take another flight, okay, and that another, it can be another airline also, it can be a code share flight also, or it can be SpiceJet only but some other airline operating, that is code share, or it can be any other airline, okay, like Emirates. So just example, I'll give you now two examples. First, I'm traveling from Mumbai to Dubai on SpiceJet. Okay, I'm reaching Dubai, so that my one journey is done from SpiceJet. Now I have another flight that is from Dubai to London, and I'm going in Emirates. Okay, so I have to get down from the SpiceJet flight. I have to take the Emirates flight that is from Dubai to London. Okay, and one more example I'll give you. This is one type of example. One more example. Journey will remain same. I'm going from SpiceJet, Mumbai to Dubai, and now SpiceJet is having a code share flight with Air India. Okay, just let us just assume SpiceJet is having a code share flight with Air India. So what SpiceJet will do, it make me reach Dubai, and that plane, it can be the same aircraft or it can be the Air India's aircraft, depending on the situation. Let us assume that it is SpiceJet flight only, okay, and it is with code share with Air India, means Air India passengers will now come in the SpiceJet flight. So in this case, as a passenger, I don't need to get down from the flight. I have to just wait there, okay, and I have to wait for another passengers to come and board the flight, and then the flight will, the same aircraft, the same flight will go from Dubai to London. Okay, I hope this is clear. So this flight, I'll repeat again. Connecting flight means, one, a flight which delivers a passenger from one aircraft, a passenger to another aircraft in another city. That is, if I'm going from Mumbai and to Dubai, it is another aircraft and another city. Okay, this is one. A flight that requires the passenger to change aircraft as part of the itinerary. As itinerary is nothing but booking. So if my booking is that I am having a SpiceJet flight Mumbai Dubai and then Dubai London as Emirates, so I have to get down at Dubai from the SpiceJet flight, and again I have to board the Emirates aircraft which goes from Dubai to London. So I hope connecting flight is clear. Next is customs. Okay, customs is what? The control and regulation of imports and exports. So custom is nothing but it's an organization. It comes under the government of that particular country, and this organization controls, okay, and gives rules and regulations of what? Of imports and export. Means whatever items are being imported from other countries or brought from other countries, and whatever items are being exported to other countries, okay, how much are allowed, how much can be exported, how much are not allowed, what is not allowed, what are the criteria, what are the limitations, what are the chances of bringing it and not bringing it. All this is taken care by the customs department. Okay, so the organization, the government organization that takes care or that controls the imports and exports in the airport, that department is known as customs. Destination, the final stopping place, the place to which a passenger is going. Like destination means what? If I'm traveling from Mumbai to Dubai, my origin is Mumbai, okay, and my destination is Dubai, means I'm reaching to that place. Okay, so let's repeat again. The final stopping place means where I'm finally landing is the destination. Now this is one example, Mumbai, Dubai. Now in the earlier example, Mumbai, Dubai, London. So Mumbai is my origin, Dubai is not my destination. Okay, I'm just reaching Dubai, and from Dubai I am going to London. So here London is my final stopping place. So London becomes my destination. Okay, the place to which a passenger is going. So London is the place where I'm actually going from Mumbai. Okay, so Dubai is only a stopover. Dubai is known as stopover here in this case. Mumbai is the origin, Dubai is the stopover, and London is the destination, means the final place. The next term is direct flight. Direct flight means what? A flight which normally does not require passengers to change aircraft between the starting point and destination. So here means this flight is a direct flight, means in my earlier example, Mumbai, Dubai, London, I have to travel from Mumbai to London, but I have to go in between to Dubai. But if I'm not going, if I'm having a direct flight from Mumbai to London, it will not stop anywhere in between. It will make me, if the flight takes off from Mumbai, it directly lands at London. Okay, so such flights are known as direct flights. I can give you an example. In Mangalore, Air India Express usually has direct flights from Mangalore to Dubai, Mangalore to Doha, Mangalore to Bahrain. Okay, these are the direct flights, because what happens is Mangalore is a small station, okay, small city. So usually Mangalore, it have a passenger travels from Mangalore, he or she either has to go to Bangalore or Mumbai and then take a flight to Dubai. But in direct flight cases, the passenger who is starting his journey from Mangalore, he directly lands at Dubai. The flight doesn't stop anywhere in between. Okay. A much misunderstood and misused term. So this term, direct flight, is usually misunderstood and misused. A direct flight operates under a single flight number. Okay, so we have to also remember that a direct flight like Mumbai to Dubai, it operates with a single flight. I mean, there's only one flight number for that flight. Okay, if there are two flight numbers, means it is not a direct flight. Simple as that. Okay, so if, like as I said, Mangalore to Dubai, these are direct flights. So these direct flights, they have only one flight number. When there is only one flight number, that means it is a direct flight. If there are two flight numbers, it means it is not a direct flight. So I hope these terms are clear. In the next audio video, we will go on further with the airline terms. Okay, thank you.